going to show you how to create this product ads commercial video. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'll be showing you many more tricks on how to create viral videos for your TikTok, your YouTube, and even your Instagram. So let's start. What to do is come to your Google Play Store and download this app called 3D Photo Cube Live Wallpaper. So after downloading it, let's open it. Once you open it, this is how it will look. Click on Start, and the first item here says Add Cube Images. Click on it, and what you have designed already, just upload them. For instance, click on this first one, go to Gallery, then your images that you have designed. For instance, I'll just click on this one. Once I click on it, I'll click on this square shape at the bottom here. It has been added. So once that is done, you come to choose Gallery Background Issue. Here you can go to your gallery and choose green background. Maybe any green background that you have, you just choose it. I've already chosen one. Then third thing is choose app background. You may leave that one. Then cube control, come here, and everything will be at the center at the initial time. So what you will do is to slide the X speed to the end, and the Y speed, you just slide it to this place. And the cube size, you can vary it according to what you want. Alright, once that is done, then background orientation, you may leave it either horizontally or vertically. Once that is done, you click on Set Wallpaper. So this is how it will be. So while it is rotating, go to your screen recorder and record everything. Record the screen as it is rotating. Record the screen. Then after that, let's go to CapCut Video Editor. We'll go to CapCut now. Then we're going to put everything together. So this is CapCut Video Editor. So once it opens, we'll put a background. We'll click on New Project and click on Stock Videos to put a background that we want to use. I'll click on Background in this place and I'll choose any one that I want. Okay, these are backgrounds that are already here. Let me preview this, like this one, and this is the background. I'll just click on Add. So once I click on Add, I'll scroll to the end of this place and delete the watermark of CapCut. Then once that is done, I'll also extend this background so that the duration will be at least above 30 seconds, because that is what I want. Then after that, I'll choose the orientation that I want. If it is square, that is 1 by 1, or 16 by 9, or 9 by 16. So to do that, I'll click on Ratio, and I'll just choose Square. Once I choose Square, I'll use my 2 fingers I'll use my 2 fingers to increase the background so that everything will be square. So once that is done, I'll look for overlay, add overlay, and the screen record that I have done. I'll bring it. For instance, let me bring this one. Assuming this is the one I recorded on my own, I'll click on Add. Once I click on Add, it will be loaded. So once it loads, I will now be able to remove the background. Okay, so it is still loading. Let's just wait a little until it loads. So once it reaches 100%, it would have loaded. Then we'll crop it and remove the background. It's almost done. Good, it has been loaded. So first thing, I'll remove this first part that is here. I'll click on the video I recorded. I'll click on Split and delete the first part, which is not needed. I'll move it to the beginning. So I'll also click on it and crop. I'll look for edit, crop, and I'll crop off these parts that are not needed. Yes, I'll remove all those parts that are not needed. I'll click on the check mark. So at this stage now, I'll also click on Cut Out, Chroma Key, and I'll locate the green color. I'll click on intensity and take it off. As you can see, that green is off. Then at this stage, I'll also look for speed because the rotation speed is too high. I'll look for speed and click on normal and take it to 0.5. I'll click on check mark. Alright, so at this stage, let's see. I'll also use my 2 fingers to increase it. You can put anything at the bottom, a podium. You can go online and download podium, and let's preview what we've gotten. So this is how it is. Subscribe for more video editing tricks and tips on how to create viral videos for your handles, for your channel. Thank you.